everybody. Good evening to you. I want to just point out for the record, I know there are a lot of questions. I am not ignoring your questions. I am just putting off your questions for right now. So, bear with me, guys. I'm still going to, actually, it has been a while since you've heard from me. I do apologize from that. So let me address that real quick. I'm working on something specific, and I need some time to myself. So that's why there's been a little bit of a delay. I'm taking care of some things. So bear with me. It'll all make sense soon. Right now, as this video is being made, I am here in Elkhart, Indiana. Elkhart, Indiana is considered the RV capital of the world. Home to the RV Hall of Fame Museum, which I was at 2 or 3 years ago. That's where I'm boondocking right now. I came in about 15 minutes before they closed tonight. And of course, just like last time I was here, they still allow overnight parking for their guests for one night, which is awesome. I love it. Makes sense. The RV capital of the world. Yeah, go ahead and boondock in our parking lot overnight. And then tomorrow morning, I do want to go into the museum. I want to shoot some new stuff inside the museum that I didn't show you last time with a new camera, lens, and stabilizer. Let me get some sleep, and we'll get a head start in the morning, okay? Okay, and good morning, everybody. Don't be fooled by the overcast skies. We are still going to hit 90 degrees today here in Indiana in September. Yeah. Airstream pulled in last night and camped. A Nomad trailer just pulled in. Let's go look at this museum, look at some new stuff, and have some fun today. And here we are, guys, at the RV and Motorhome Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana. And right outside, they've got two teasers. I got an old Starcraft Chevy camper van there, and a Travco just to get you in the door. This is the building. That's noisy I-90 toll road. Let's go look at this van first. It's a Travco 320. Kind of looks like a GMC, but it's got the single axles in the back. Look at that 70s shag carpet in here. The smell, oh my gosh. It smells pretty old. It sleeps 4 for sure. Look at that, 4 beds right there. Huh, it's a different way to do it. Would you trust that? Hanging from the ceiling like that? I don't know. All right, let's go inside and check it out. I actually skipped a lot last time I was here. There is a 7-minute movie. They'll give you some information about the place. It's not the RV and Motorhome Museum. The MH stands for Manufactured Housing, so I just mixed up that one word. It's the RV and Manufactured Housing Museum. And look at this tiny little pet trailer, right? This is where Jax would sleep, I think. Yeah. We'll check out the Go RVing Hall and see what's new first. They told us in the movie that this place changes every year to showcase some of the new RVs that are out here in 2018, so I want to look at a couple real quick just for fun. Wait a minute, guys. Look at this tandem axle GMC looking recreation. What? That's right. It's back, guys. They have brought it back for 2018. You can have a brand new one. Maybe less problems than the older ones. Get a load of the inside. Leather, everything. Man. Wow, that looks nice. It looks a lot nicer than the old GMCs, that's for sure. Way to update, guys. Little wine cooler there, and there's your wine glasses. About the same size as my actual RV. Actually, yeah. Here's a big old Cougar Fifth-Wheel. I don't know why these are so popular. These are all over the place. Not going in there. Here's a smaller, lightweight Hummingbird, the Baja Edition. Dual bunks in the front. And the fridge, freezer, kitchen. And that's it. How much? How much you think? $28,000. This looks like a 28-foot newer Winnebago. Look at all the garage underneath storing. I need that. I really need that. Let's go inside here too. Okay, so you got a couch and a dinette. Boy, that dinette just takes up everything in the RV. Well, and then a king walk around bed in the back. This is a huge living room slide, this whole section, and it's pulled in right now. It's not slid out. And as you can see, this RV is still fully functional without that slide. Obviously, that being out will open it up even more, but I like it. I don't like it for $106,000. And they still got this 2016 Shasta, this retro-looking RV. But if I remember correctly, this is a 2016 model. I really like the teal, and I love all the wood. It has that old feel. Look, they even have the old style windows, little crank windows that open on the side like that. And there's this. So for the new Shastas, they put in this light. It is just a light, actually. It's an electrical light bulb in there, but the old style would have had a propane operated lantern right there above the dinette. So I like it that they made it look like the old one. Alright, we'll step into the Cougar Fifth-Wheel just to see. I don't feel like I'm in an RV. I feel like I'm in a mobile home. Okay, I get the appeal. I do. This is massive. Living room, kitchen. I mean, look at the refrigerator. It's like a household style refrigerator, side by side. Bedroom is where you walk up, where the fifth wheel connects. Jeez. Yeah, I get it, but hauling this around the country? No way. Maybe if I was parked for like a month during my stays. No way I'm hauling something like this around the country and finding parking. I get it though. When you're searching for an RV, they tell you to go inside first. They tell you always find the floor plan you like first. Once you've found the floor plan, you can move on to what you're looking for exterior, but you can't change too much of the floor plan. So I get it why a big fifth wheel like that is really appealing to someone who's just sold their house, getting ready to go on the road, and then they're like, yes, I want this mansion on wheels. Not thinking of the fact that they can't even turn a corner with it. When you want to go shopping, you can't park anywhere at Walmart, and every semi-truck that passes you just rocks the entire thing, and, you know, that's my thing. I'm always looking at the practical side of everything. I know it would not be fun to drive around a big, huge rig. That's why I try to keep it as small as I can still be happy with it. While we're upstairs, oh, okay, here's a neat little view of what's going on below us. So this is, we're going to look at all these RVs, and they've built a little road from start to finish. You can see all the different RVs. All right, we'll go downstairs, go see what we can find. All right, here's where the road begins, the all-American journey. We're going to start off really early. How about a 1913 Earl travel trailer and a Model T Ford? That's it, guys, just a little seating area there. Gotta see the front, right? Yep, being pulled by a Model T. 1913, guys. And a 1916 telescoping apartment. Cozy, right? There they are, enjoying it outside. Huh. Different. We're gonna see a lot of Airstreams. This is a 58 22-footer. We cannot go inside this one, but the camera can. Okay. The smallest Airstream ever built. It's tiny, and I love it. What's it got? A couch, and a porta potty. Let's go a little kitchen area. Okay. Here's a 1931 house car. Okay, you can tell by the wood. I mean, it really is just basically built like a house. We can peek in here. Oh, too dark. Sorry about that. And a really old tent trailer. 1916 cozy camp tent trailer. 1935 covered wagon travel trailer. Look at that color, old school brown. Wow, I love the woodwork in here, though. That tent trailer looks pretty crazy. A 55 Wrangler crank-up. A little different. That one looks almost like a motorcycle trailer. It's a teardrop, a 10-foot teardrop. Wow. And just a bed, right? Yep. We'll look at a Jesse and Walt RV here in a minute. This is an 85 Fleetwood. I think they had an 87 Fleetwood, so it's close to the same year. All right, let's go inside and have a peek. Oh, wow. They fixed it up since Walt and Jesse cooked brownies and cookies in here. Yeah. Wow. I really still like the 80s RV smells, looks, and layouts. You don't get this feel from the newer ones. They don't even feel like a home anymore. They just feel like they put them together as quick as possible. You know, a lot of people don't like the dark wood paneling and everything. I like the browns. Like, that's how I started RVing, so I like it. 1966 Mustang travel trailer. How shiny that is. Ooh. Mm-hmm. And the inside. Very retro. Is that the furnace? I think that's a furnace. Ugh, it smells like an old mobile home. I do like the big sink though. Wow, that's pretty big. Walking the bridge, walking the bridge. Look at the old Ford Coachman. How shiny it is. It does pretty well out here. In here, I mean, compared to out in the elements. Oh, really? A royal flush? Okay. Believe it or not, this is a 1978 Ford Coachman. Looks nicer than any of my 80s models. You peek inside. Oh, gotta look inside. It's like a Tilly. It's like a Tilly. Or an Olga. Actually, it's exactly the same party. This is the party floor plan. Look. With the chairs like this and this like that and no bed. Your bed options are up here. Turn your jackknife sofa into a bed. But the rear of the RV is just your kitchen and your bathroom. How about the green pop-up? Look at all the greens in this Jayco. Whoa, this is an old one. Old truck. Oh, how you pull out and camp right out the side. Yeah, why not? Not everything in here has as much information. We know this is a 1955 Spartan mobile home. Okay, so this is meant to be just parked on your property or something. Let's take a look. It's like single wide, right? Oh, there's some information. It's a 42-footer. Yeah, this is like your standard single wide on a mobile home almost. Everything's cracking and creakling underneath me. Pretty spacious. I mean, walking 40 feet back and forth. Jax could run 40 feet back and forth. Yeah, he'd like that. I don't remember this blue one from last time. Like cerulean blue. A 36 Roadhome coach. Can't go in, but the camera can. Huh. Nice. A lot of people out there today still driving Pace Arrows. How about a 69 Fleetwood's first motorhome? Now, my Tioga is a Fleetwood RV. 80% of all RVs made today are made here in Elkhart, Indiana. That's why it's the RV capital of the world. Mine was made in California. Yeah. We don't have any lights on inside the Pace Arrow, so we can't see anything. Sorry about that, guys. This truck camper's huge. It's a 69 Holiday Rambler. I like truck campers, I really do. I miss mine. I mean, dinette. There's your kitchen up there. There's your bed. You get your bathroom right here. This one definitely has a wet bath with a toilet and a shower, because on the outside, you can see right here, this is that part that comes off the end of the truck, a little lower, so they can have a little gray tank right there, and there's your shower, and there's your vent right there. In another life, post Yoda, I'm saying this, truck camper would be the way to go for me. Because if you had mechanical problems, you could replace the truck and not lose the truck camper that you put all the money into and all the solar and everything. You can drop the truck camper at a campground and bring the truck in to get serviced or fixed. I think, anyway, done. And there's a true GMC. What year is this one? A 1974. This one's in much better condition than pretty much any GMC I've ever seen anybody driving in, though. Everybody I know has had lots of problems, no matter how much money they pour into it. So you're better off just to buy the brand new GMC for 2018. And lastly, the Winnebago. I call this Eddie's Winnebago. It's not, obviously. It looks a lot cleaner, but 67, it needs some rust spots and stuff. And then this would be Eddie's from Christmas Vacation. You either love it or you hate it. I think if it looks nice like this, I don't mind the front end. It kind of just looks like a pissed off cat to me sometimes. I don't know. But like I said, this one's a little nicer. Yeah. Alright. I didn't show you every single RV. There's lots to see here. You should definitely check it out if you're anywhere near northern Indiana coming through here. It's just a nostalgic spot for any RV owner to see how RVs have transferred since the early 1900s. And, you know, it's really fun. But I need to get back on the road because I need to make up some miles, so we'll cut back in here after a little bit. Yeah, well, it flat out started pouring on us. So we pulled into a rest area. I mean, it was raining really, really hard, so we'll just wait for this to pass. Like the little rainbow effect. That's because of the window tint and my lens cover. It's funny. And I didn't get one last time, so I made sure to get a magnet from the museum this time. It doesn't get any better than this. And it has the little Elkhart, Indiana logo there, so put that guy right there. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait it out, buddy. I think we're gonna wait it out, okay? I know. It's tough, and it's not what I wanted to do, but it's 88 degrees outside and pouring rain. I can't even open one of the windows to let some natural air in because it'll just get water everywhere. So, all the trucks are coming in. The roadways are just not safe, and this highway out here is no longer moving. There's a big accident up or over west of us, so. Change of plans. I like to be able to not, well, I didn't have any plans, did I? I was just going to travel. So since the weather sucks and traffic accidents and stuff, we'll just call it quits and sleep here at the rest area with earplugs and air conditioning and generator. So take care, guys. Jax and I will get back to you with an update as soon as we can. Bye, guys.